Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use workflow automation in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Workflow automation is one of the easiest ways to make Pipedrive work for you in the background, especially if you find yourself doing the same updates, follow-ups, or task assignments over and over again. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple automation that saves you clicks and keeps your pipeline moving without manual work. This can help you stay more consistent with your sales process, reduce missed steps, and make sure important actions happen at the right time. Start by opening Pipedrive and navigating to the Automations area on the left sidebar. Click the icon with 3 dots to reveal more options. From that menu, select Automations. This takes you to the workspace where all your automations live. This is where you can create new workflows, review existing ones, and manage which automations are active. To create a new one, look to the top right and click the Add Automation icon. That opens the builder, where you'll define what kicks off the workflow and what happens next. Think of the builder as a simple step-by-step map. First, Pipedrive watches for something to happen. Then it follows the instructions you set. The first thing you set is a trigger. Triggers can be event-based or date-based. An event trigger starts the workflow when something happens in Pipedrive, like a deal being created or a stage changing. This is great for reacting immediately to user actions. For example, when a new deal is added, you could automatically create a follow-up task, assign the deal to a team member, or send a notification. A date trigger runs around a specific date or time, such as a deal's expected close date or a custom date field. Use this when timing is important, regardless of someone taking action. For example, you might create an automation that reminds you 2 days before a deal is expected to close, or sends a check-in task after a contract renewal date. Once you've added a trigger, you can build the next step in the workflow. Here's where conditions help you control exactly who and what qualifies. Conditions are useful because they prevent your automation from running on every single record when you only want it to apply to certain deals, people, or situations. Instant conditions check facts right away, such as whether a deal value exceeds a certain amount. If tell-else conditions split the path so different things happen depending on your criteria, which is helpful for tailoring actions to different scenarios. For example, high-value deals could be assigned to a senior sales rep, while smaller deals could follow a simpler workflow. Wait for conditions, pause the workflow until something becomes true, such as a field being updated. You can also insert delays to space out your steps by minutes, hours, or days, which helps avoid overwhelming your team or customers. This is especially helpful for follow-up sequences, where you may want to wait a day or two before creating the next task or sending the next message. After setting the logic, add the action. The action is what the automation does for you automatically, like progressing a process or updating information based on the rules you defined. Actions can help keep your pipeline clean, remind your team what to do next, update deal details, or move work forward without someone needing to remember every step manually. When everything looks correct, click Save at the top right to store your workflow. Saving preserves your setup so you can revisit or edit it later. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the trigger, conditions, delays, and action from top to bottom to make sure the workflow matches the process you actually want. Finally, use the switch at the top right to set the automation as active. If it's off, nothing will run. Turning it on means your trigger conditions and actions will start working in the background as designed. Once it's active, Pipedrive will automatically watch for the trigger and run the workflow whenever the right conditions are met. That's it. You clicked into automations, added a workflow, chose a trigger, layered in conditions and delays as needed, selected the action, saved, and activated it. With just those steps, you can turn a repetitive manual process into a reliable automated workflow. You're ready to let Pipedrive take care of the repetitive steps for you. The more you use automations, the easier it becomes to keep your sales process organized, consistent, and moving forward without extra busy work.